Hello, hello everyone. Hello, my orphans. Let me show you. Firstly, let me show you around our spring forming machine assembly area. Today, December the 30th. Show you around firstly, and this is our spring machine assembly area. Okay, show you around. We now have several machines on the site. This one has total 8 models, different type and a different process. And this one, the Camelis one, the heavy duty for 6 millimeter, this one. And this Camelis 1.6 millimeter, Camelis 1.6 millimeter. And this one, running up. Next, put on the tools, go sampling. This one to be soonest dispatch. This one to be soonest Camelis 4 millimeter. Well completed packing tomorrow morning. Okay, for several items at the site. We are spring machine manufacturer, and today at very ending 2024. Okay, this is firstly. Let me introduce my profile. I'm an export sales manager. I'm a Baker Liu, export sales manager. We are spring machine manufacturer. We are the factory in Dongguan City. About 75 kilometers from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport. About 70 minutes from our factory to Guangzhou International Airport. This is my contact. You can take a picture and write down my WhatsApp, my WeChat for the next couple of weeks, next day or next weeks. If you have the plan for a spring machine purchase, you can add my WeChat, add my WhatsApp to send me your drawing, send me your sample pictures. Then we will give you the professional suggestion and solution to choose some of our machine models with prices for your consideration. Okay, this is my contact. Okay, we are spring machine manufacturer. And now at the site, have several models machine in different stage. This one, the Camelis with wire rotary. Okay, here's a total 8 models in different process, different stage, and also has some standby coming next for installing in the second line. This the Camelis warming up. This the warming up. Okay, this the warming up. Running MPT, and the next running up about 3 days. Then go next for sampling. Put on the tools, go next sampling. And this one to be completed, had already completed sampling and packing this afternoon. Will dispatch next tomorrow morning. Okay, this is our assembly area. And this one, the heavy duty one. This is the heavy duty one. Camless with wire rotary 4. This is running showcase. This is wire rotary spring forming machine for heavy duty tasks as wire 4 to 10 millimeter. 4 to 10 millimeter. This goes for, okay, this goes for the agriculture like lake time, lake teeth. And here's close look on the wall showing some of our other models. And this is take a close look at the control system. The control system. The green presently active. Close Y for wire feeding. So it's total support 15 axes. 15 axes as total. And this is heavy duty for the lake time, lake teeth, agriculture purpose. Close inside view for the wire rotary, and the wire rotary, wire feeding, wire rotary and the wire feeding. Okay, this and this one just stand the work panel Camless Max 4 1.6 millimeter. This running up 3 days, then put on the tools, go sampling 4 axes. And this Camless 11 axis, Max 4 millimeter. We are spring machine manufacturer. Okay, let me show you more details about our machine. More details about our machine. We are spring machine manufacturer. Okay, this is my contact. This is my contact. We are spring machine manufacturer in Dongguan City. I'm a Baker Liu export sales manager. If interested, you can find more machine introduction and more machine sampling videos at my video bank, youtube.com/. This is my video bank site. You can find more machine introduction and sampling videos on my video bank. Or send me your drawing sample pictures by WhatsApp. As well, this is our cam-type wire rotary spring machine. Cam-type wire rotary spring machine. 3 models on this page. 0.5 Max 2 6 carbon steel hard wire. If added the servo sizer procession wire iron as 8 millimeter for hard wire. This one telling our Camless spring machine. Number 1, number 2. Camless no wire rotary. Number 3, number 4. Camless with wire rotary. Camless 4 models on this paper. Camless no wire rotary. Camless with while rotary. Here's a one. Camera is 6 to 12 millimeter. And this telling our spring coiling machine, 6 models spring coiling machine, 2 axis, 4 axis, and 6 axis, 2 axis, 4 axis, and 6 axis spring coiling machine for the wire 0.15 max to 6 millimeter. This one, all land cameras for the conveyor belt related products. Conveyor belt wire mesh for wire 0.4 max to 4 millimeter for the conveyor belt. Chocolate coating mesh belt wire mesh conveyor belt chocolate coating chocolate enrolling chain. List telling the special tailor-made products. Tailor-made for conveyor belts, for the pipe clamp, for wire straightening, and the number 4, tailed thread sleeve making machine. Conveyor belt, number 1, wire mesh, number 2, plastic pipe clip making machine. Number 3, wire straightening machine for wire max 2.5 hard carbon steel. Number 4, tailed thread insert thread sleeve making machine. M2.5 to M8. So here's some of our examples our products made by our machine. All land on this paper, all land are ever samples in our completed orders with client. Extension spring at various size, wire mesh, constant force, flat strip, constant force, torsion, double torsion spring, constant force spring, spiral spring used in car seat self belt. All by the wire forming, wire bending, 3-dimension products made by spring forming machine or wire bending machine. We can provide the solution for every item of land. To every item of land, we have the machine and the solutions. Okay. And this is the double torsion spring collection on this page. Every of land, we have the machine provide the solution. We have a machine to make every one of land. Okay. For the torsion, double torsion, regular shape or special shape in different using site at size from 0.2 millimeter max to 8 millimeter torsion, double torsion spring, variety of size, variety of shape. We can provide the professional efficient solution with competitive price. Torsion, all land, torsion, every of them, we have the solution. We have the machine to provide solution for you. So on the table, there are a lot of samples, and we are spring machine manufacturer. This is our factory. This is our catalog. So every year, during summer, we will attending the International Spring Industry Festival, Spring Industry Exhibition in Guangzhou Canton Fair halls every summer. This is our catalog. We are manufacturer founded in year 2005. So here's our machines at different shapes and different size. For the quilting, spring quilting machine, standard 0.15 millimeter max to 6 millimeter for the spring quilting machine. For the spring forming machine, 0.2 max to 10 millimeter. Okay, this is very type of our machines. This is our catalog. Okay, you can also find more videos at my YouTube video bank. We are spring machine manufacturer. I'm Baker, export sales manager. Okay, on the table, a lot of samples. I'll show you some of the special, regular, typical, or must using field or their using site. For example, the small one also like this, the compression spring. This compression spring, compression, regular, tight loops at both ends, and the pitches, and the even pitches between every loop in the middle stage. So this is double torsion spring, sleeve spring, sleeve spring. This one, take close look, flat strip, stainless steel with small pitch between the loops, small pitch, sleeve spring, using in the heat in high temperature site and the high humidity site to protect the cables, the wire, for the sensor, for the sensors, for the detective equipment as like nearby the car's engine. Sleeve spring. This regular compression spring at a value of size as like this and this regular. So the bigger one goes to like this suspension and anti-vibration spring, using suspension anti-vibration as like mountain cars, mountain bicycle, mountain bike, sports bicycle, or electric bikes, front and rear tire suspension purpose. Also using in the bicycle's seat pad spring. Heavy duty anti-vibration spring. Heavy duty anti-vibration spring using in various type of vehicles and cars. The wire from 10 to 16 millimeter anti-vibration spring. Our compression spring machine covering the range 0.15 millimeter max to 6 millimeter. Conic compression spring, conic compression spring, and this is the special anti-vibration suspension spring. Bottom flat rectangle, and flat at top. Tower shape anti-vibration suspension using in the high jump matches, high jump pad. This one. And the next the pull spring, the extension spring. This is soft wire. The life is not hard. Okay, this is center hook, a side loop, a side hook, extension spring, pull spring. The pull spring at various size and various shape. Pull spring, German style or British style. Special compression spring, change the pitch, change the OD at different site. Pull spring, and this is the spiral spring, flat spiral spring. The spiral spring, flat spiral spring. Torsion. This is the torsion spring. The torsion spring. Okay, this is the torsion spring. And the constant force. Flat strip, stainless steel, 10 or 8 millimeter wide, thickness 0.15 millimeter, using in the car's seat self belt, or the tape measure, or the mechanic watch. Here's the one using layers in the layer, as using as a layer or the umbrella. This mechanic spiral spring. Both ends. Flat strip, 3 millimeter, stainless steel, thickness 0.15 millimeter. Okay, show you. This the sleeve spring. Every type contacting each other, not too much hard. Okay, soft sleeve spring with standard spring or high precision spring, using in medical purpose or in science. High precision or using in test equipment. As medical purpose, this one using in the site with high temperature, high humidity. Sleeve spring. Okay, the compression spring, this one, this one at bend start. So this is using in automatic beverage selling machine. Automatic beverage selling machine. This spiral, we can make it extended as length as you wish, like 2 meter, 2.5 meter, or 3 meter as you wish. This spiral spring. Irregular, special shape, compression spring, start bend, OD change wider and wider, and the pitch change wider and wider. This using for automatic beverage selling machine. Automatic beverage selling machine. So this all are regular. Next, I show you the special products. Also like this. This is compression spring. Here's for every similar chick sprayer with one compression spring inside. By this compression spring, by our 4-axis spring cleaning machine, at the rate about 280 pieces per minute. Okay, this, and for the lotion, for the alcohol bottles, for the lotion, for the shampoo, for every similar with sprayer mechanism, compression spring inside. So special as like this, wire forming products, wire bending products, wire forming products is irregular shaped wire forming products by last chemist spring forming machine at least about 15 pieces, 12 to 15 pieces per minute. Plastic pipe, the pipe clamp, the pipe clamp for machine 15 to 20 pieces per minute using in the gas, petroleum, oil, pipe transport system, pipe clamp, pipe clip using in metro municipal pipe networks, also using in agriculture, water irrigating, water irrigation system, water irrigation system as like the grapeland, the grapeland, this one, the grape using in the grapeland harvest in agriculture purpose, water irrigation system. The wire bending, the wire forming products. This is like the English, the trophy of English Premier League, the trophy of English Premier League. Also using a lot of the deer to provide customer using for making the outdoor LED lighting frame, LED lighting frame, LED lighting decoration for like this. Once is make larger and strip and twisted with LED lighting strip using as outdoor festival lighting decoration. This one, the wire forming products, mobile phone holder. So this all are special, and this two period tight ropes, pro spring, extension spring, very hard, strong, 7mm carbon steel, using in the trucks, in the heavy duty vehicles. This one, flat conveyor belt, honeycomb, flat honeycomb conveyor belt, 10mm wide, thickness 0.15, 0.2 or 0.3 millimeter, thickness 0.15 millimeter. This the tent camp, ground stake, tent camp, ground nail are at ready now using by this machine. The tools to using this. The tools are like this, the cutter, the nail, the spinner tools, and the special shape tailor-made tools. So one frosted tools, including the wire feeding tools and the forming tools. Wire feeding tools such as the feeding rollers, guiding plates, manger, cutter, layer, spinner tool, and the special made shape tools. So this is now once if open the wire feeding, because now just showcase stop the wire feeding. If open the wire feeding, this is the ready tools lineup for this at least 10 pieces per minute. This wire twisted with hooks, carbon steel 4mm, And this wire bending, 3D, flat, easy tasks. And this pipe clip, 6mm stainless steel by this machine, 4mm spring wire LED lighting hanger, outdoor lighting hanger. Okay, next, the most important, the key of this machine on the side. The most important of this or similar machine to which is using for to mass producing the lactane, lactase. Show you the close look. The most important task for this spring forming machine with wire rotary, heavy duty, lactase 4 to 10mm agricultural purpose for the harvester, for the straw baler. We made a lot of deer exported to countries, over 32 countries, for this wire rotary spring forming machine for the agricultural purpose, as the country like in East Europe, North, Mid Asian, South American countries, South Africa, Australia, Argentina, Brazil, Mexico, and like us, Poland, Russia, Belarus, Ukraine, Romania, Turkey, Iran. Okay, this is goes a lot of deal for the agriculture lactase for this machine. Agriculture lactase. And the next topic important is we provide the solution for the conveyor belt related product. This is a single unit. This is a single unit. And this is the single unit. Single hook at both ends. 2.5 stainless steel, 40 centimeter. One piece, this one, to be made 18 seconds. Within 18 seconds, one piece. Then waved together. So then waved this one piece within 18 seconds. As wire 0.4 max to 4mm, mostly using material stainless steel. Okay, here's the single unit. The single unit. 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter, and the wire thickness 0.5 stainless steel, single hook at both ends, cubic 3 dimension, 1.5. We can make it. This is a floor period. This is a floor period. Can extend it at many times as you wish, or 3 times, 8 times, or 9 times. This a floor period, here to here, a floor period. Then can extend it as longer as you wish, like 1.5 meter, 1.8 meter, 2 meter, 2.5 meter. You can make it, but mostly is in wire, in the wide 40 to 1 meter is mostly 40 to 1 meter is mostly goes like this, 1 meter, 80 centimeter or 60 centimeter, the mostly using the most largest quantity specification as 80, 60, 1 meter wide. This one, 1.5 meter. We can make it as 2 meter, 2.5 meter. So this is the one. This is the one. Okay, this is the one. 1.2 meter carbon steel, 1.2 meter froggy stainless steel double hook at both ends. This is the double hook. Okay, double hook at the end, at both ends. Double hook, 1.2 meter froggy stainless steel. To make one unit within one piece, about 45 seconds. This is wide, 1 meter, 1 meter. Oh, sorry. This is 90 centimeter, 90 centimeter, about 45 seconds, one piece, then waved together. We do a lot of deals for the conveyor belt chocolate coating, chocolate enrobing. Bread goes through the heating furnace. This conveyor belt is mass demanding. Exported every many countries. Okay, next I'll show you a closer look at the machine's structure. This machine came with wire rotary divided into the work panel, the chamber, the chassis, control system, and the wire decoil. So this divided into the wire decoil feeding from rear to front, Wire goes through from rear to front, goes the wire rotary, wire feeding, then to the work panel. This is the work panel. So a floor tools consists of the wire feeding tools, feeding rods, guiding plate, the manger, cutter, coiling finger, reel, and the spinner tools, special made tools. The sliding distance for this one almost 20 centimeter for one handle. Sliding distance almost 20 centimeter. Control system, mostly English, Chinese, Spanish, and Russian. Control system available. Spanish, Russian, English, Chinese. This one, Camrys 1.6 under construction. Just stand on the work panel, put on the metal parts, then next put on tools, go sampling. And this is warm up. Cam type, warm up. 4 axes. Here's the spinner. 4 axes. The control system. Cam type. This is the cam type. This is the can. So how it's running? The can and make the slider far away, close to the forming side. Here's insert a manger once it's started to get the tasks. And this one completed sampling, completed the training. Client been here last week and completed sending for the conveyor belt chocolate coating, wire mesh, and while going next sampling. We're going dispatch packing this evening, and the dispatch export dispatch tomorrow morning. This goes for the wire max 4 millimeter. This sampling completed. Go next task, next sample, and this flat honeycomb conveyor belt, flat strip, flat honeycomb conveyor belt, flat conveyor belt. This camelist with spinner at 3 o'clock. Sampling completed. Sampling completed for the products. Sampling completed. Okay, sampling. And this the tools on the sliders for this 1.6 millimeter. This machine processing feeding wire length 0.2 max to 2.5 millimeter, and the wire decoil max loadable 200 kilogram. Wire decoil goes to here, the straightener and the feeding rollers. This is the heart of the machine wire feeding system. 2 pair of feeding rollers, the guiding plates, and the rear view of the work panel, suspended 8. Every handle driven by one servo motor. Okay, this is the camelist with spinner at 3 o'clock. Well, soonest for the dispatch. This and this. As well, here goes the 4 axis. This goes for 4 axis. 4 axis spring coiling machine. Feeding wire 0.15 max to 2 millimeter. 4 axis high speed spring coiling machine. 4 axis. Show you 4 axis. X for OD, Y for wire feeding, Z for pitch, and A for the final cutoff. Okay, 4 axis. X for OD control, Y for wire feeding, Z for the pitch control, and A for the final cutoff. So these figures, some of them stand for the angle, and some means the length at unit millimeter. So his accuracy at 000. Show you the rear view of the 4 axis control. This is the mental part under construction now. Control system. Okay, this is the 4 axis high speed compression spring for 0.15 max to 2 millimeter. And this one under sampling. This is our assembly area for the compression spring. We are spring machine manufacturer. Okay, this is all in our spring assembly area. And the client usually also get free training at site. Training domestic 3 to 6 days. And the foreign client 3 to 6 days or max to 9 days get the free using training. We are spring machine manufacturer, and every summer we will attending the International Spring Industrial Exhibition. This is the Camless spring forming machine, Camless with wire rotary, presently 12 axes as total. This kind of a similar machine mostly cranes